Let's improve our Spanish understanding with a short story.
Gabriel y Francisca están en el parque. Son vecinos y tienen vidas difíciles.
Hola Francisca, ¿cómo estás?
Hola Gabriel, estoy triste, no tengo dinero.
Yo también. Tengo 11 euros.
Yo tengo 12 euros, es muy poco.
Question. How much money does Francisca have? Answer 1, 5 euros. Answer 2, 12 euros. Answer 3, 20 euros. The correct answer is number 2. Francisca mentioned that she has 12 euros, which she considers to be very little. Let's continue with the story. If you haven't heard the start of the story, click on the link in the top right corner.
Gabriel y Francisca caminan por el parque. Ven algo en el suelo.
Mira Francisca, hay una bolsa.
¿Qué hay en la bolsa?
Hay dinero. Mucho dinero.
¡Qué suerte! Ahora tenemos 13, 14, 15 euros y más.
Question. What did Gabriel and Francisca find in the park? Answer 1, a lost dog. Answer 2, a bag with money. Answer 3, a book. The correct answer is number 2. Gabriel and Francisca found a bag with a lot of money in the park. Do you like this kind of story? Like and subscribe now to hear more. We post a new story every day. Let's continue with the story. If you haven't heard the start of the story, click on the link in the top right corner.
Gabriel y Francisca están muy felices. Piensan en qué hacer con el dinero.
Podemos comprar comida.
Sí, y ropa nueva.
Vamos a contar el dinero. 1, 2, 3.
Es mucho dinero, somos ricos.
Question. What are Gabriel and Francisca planning to do with the money? Answer 1, buy food and new clothes. Answer 2, save it all in the bank. Answer 3, travel to another country. The correct answer is number 1. Gabriel and Francisca are planning to buy food and new clothes with the money they have. Let's continue with the story. If you haven't heard the start of the story, click on the link in the top right corner.
De repente un hombre aparece y toma la bolsa.
No, es nuestro dinero.
Devuélvelo, por favor.
¿Qué hacemos ahora, Francisca?
No lo sé, Gabriel, estamos otra vez sin dinero.
Question. What did the man take from Gabriel and Francisca? Answer 1, the bag. Answer 2, a book. Answer 3, a hat. The correct answer is number 1. The man took the bag from Gabriel and Francisca, which contained their money. Now you can choose how the story continues. Option 1, they decide to call the police. Option 2, they decide to follow the man. Click on one option to decide what happens next.